Hello everyone, this is Rad here. Today I want to share with you something that I recently learned, which is enabling full keyboard access to the iPad. So if you have an iPad stand or something that you want to put the iPad screen away from you and you are using an external keyboard like I am to write text or just to turn the iPad a better input experience, this is a keyboard, right? You can fully control your keyboard without using touch gestures. You can fully control your iPad just with the keyboard, right? Except for the slide app that you do this. Okay, so can you see I am moving around my icons here on my screen? Uh, just with the iPad. I'm not touching, and you can notice that because I'm using the iPad keys and this gray arrow box around the icons. All right. So this is how you enable it. You go to accessibility, and then you go on keyboards. All right, and then you enable something called full keyboard access. So here you can choose the overlay color that you want: blue, red, green, yellow, orange. Right. I'm gonna configure as red, for example, and you can now fully control your iPad. Increase size, high contrast, right? And here are some additional commands that you can configure in terms of movement, interaction, device, just to avoid touching your iPad, right? It's extremely comfortable. In addition to that, you can use uh, the default, the default shortcuts such as uh, control space to open this, like you would open the Spotlight in your Mac, right? So you can, it's fantastic, right? So you can open new tabs, you can alter between apps. Okay, so I want to go there again uh, to configure another thing. So this is it. This is how you configure your iPad to use keyboard only. So camera, let me change here. So this is how to use the iPad only, right? So you see, I'm pressing the arrows here, and it is controlling the 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 buttons here. Okay, so pretty interesting. So you can also configure some extra gestures, such as, for example, keyboard shortcuts to do the slide up or to do the slide down thing, just like here, right?